name's Misty, and I had this idea to start doing these as seen on TV things. Just to, first, I can't do anymore. Let me get my friend in here.
What's up, everyone?
This is Trucker Jim. You guys know him on YouTube. And he's gonna help me out today because I don't do videos, but this is our first one. So I've always wanted to know, like, does this scrap work or does the stuff work? But you know, you see the $19.99, you know, whatever payments, and instead of wasting your money, you know, just come find out, click on our show and say, hey, what have they reviewed? And leave me some comments too, what else you want to see. But today, right?
Which my money has already been spent on this, $70. At the Myers in Louisville, Kentucky, I found the induction cooktop, which I'd seen this commercial on TV. And I was like, that would be pretty awesome in the truck, because one of the features it says, you can adjust the wattage that it requires. It's 70% more efficient, is what the box says, and can cook as low as 600 watts. And for you truck drivers out there, you know, most of us have like a 1500 watt inverter, so you only got so much to work with. But three of the claims that we're going to be reviewing today, what all does this thing say you can do?
Well, let's actually show them too.
An indoor grill.
An indoor grill,
There's
right?
grill marks on that steak.
Right. And then a deep fryer. It can fry chicken apparently, and
chicken
anything
wings.
else, right, that you want. Pressure cooker. Fondue maker. Wow, which, I mean, if it heats up, okay, I can see that working.
I
maybe.
love dipping strawberries in melted chocolate.
Right? Bananas, all that. Steamer.
Steaming fish.
Right? And then a slow cooker. So if we can do all this, he'll be making all kind of crazy stuff in this truck, you know?
Absolutely. But we're not going to be doing all that in this video. If you give a lot of likes and subscribe to the channel, we'll be sure to do the rest of those. But today, we're going to cook an egg.
And
touch the eye and see if it burns the hand while the egg is cooking.
And
are you going to do that?
What else are we going to do?
We're going to boil some water, people. The box claims it'll boil water in 90 seconds, which sounds impossible, but we're going to find out for sure. And
if it does all those things, it probably does the others. And we'll check out. We haven't even opened the box, so we're going to do it with you.
Inside the box is pretty simple contents. There's a 9-inch induction frying pan, and then there's the unit itself that has 45 cooking settings. Thank goodness it comes with not only an instruction book, but also a recipe book. Pasta, grains, and rice, seafood. That's, what do they call it? It's a P word, shrimp.
I have no idea.
Some kind of shrimp.
We'll have to look that up later.
Korean beef, grilled vegetables, and balsamic garlic sauce, broccoli and carrot stir fry, crepes. Was it crepes?
Crepes.
Several different things. But what we're going to be reviewing in this video is cooking an egg, touching it with our hand, boiling water in 90 seconds. You ready? Alright, it is time to get this experiment started, everyone. Misty, if you will plug in the induction cooktop.
As it makes a beeping noise.
Let's see. Start. Comes up at 375 degrees to begin with. Well, if Misty would have read the instructions, what that means is the pan's not on.
So here's the egg, and we're going to crack it and see if it cooks an egg. It's cooking.
It is cooking.
Does that throw that away? So how do you like your eggs, Jim?
Well, I know you like yours sunny side up, which we're almost there on that. I'm more of an overwhelmed guy.
More of a medium, not sunny side up. But, so I'm gonna go and flip it. You think we should flip it?
It looks beautiful the way it is, but yeah, go ahead and flip it.
All right. Saying don't flip it. No.
And are you gonna scratch? We did not spray the pan.
Right?
But it's supposed to be non-stick.
And it's sticking a lot. Don't burn myself. Okay, is it really? Did it say non-stick?
Yeah.
So it says it's non-stick, but as you guys can see, it's pretty stock.
But we did not spray it with.
We didn't, but you shouldn't have to, right? With the non-stick.
Ooh, that's hot now. Ooh.
So that's a no to. Do you do burn your hand?
Yeah, I don't want to keep my hand down.
So
there's air popping up.
well,
Hand needs to
but
be
you
on
shouldn't
there.
have to wait for it because it is. I feel the heat. I'm not trying to burn my hand today. As the
Put that down there.
All right.
You with your medium runny eggs. They want it well.
Right.
I think.
But now it's E1 again. So what does the direction say?
We hit start.
Makes sense.
Now we could lower this. It comes on by default at 375. That may have been a little high of a temperature to cook an egg.
I
350
think that
may
might
be
have been
better.
no problem. Yeah.
It will go down to as low as 100 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay, and what I just noticed now, holy crap. Because I'm like, who's gonna 300, who would know 375? That's like oven temperatures. That's not like cooking on a stove. You want high, medium, low, whatever. As he's pushing like up, down, it's changing it to low, medium, low, medium, medium, high, and then high.
And max sear.
So we probably burnt the egg from having a little too high.
Yeah, let's try flip it. Didn't stick that time.
Yeah.
Now my question is, Misty, do I have to use this special pan with the, you know, whatever's going on the bottom, or can I use any pan on it?
I don't know. What is it? What is the instructions?
I have not read the
Well,
instructions.
I think we should have done that to begin with, because you should always
We'll read the instructions prior to filming the next video after this one.
Okay.
But I'm gonna eat an egg. Why don't you grab a regular pan and let's try boiling some water.
All right. What?
Okay, we're starting with cold water.
Okay.
If you can put that on there. We're starting from 0, and why don't we go with the high temperature?
Right.
Hey Siri, count down 90 seconds.
Your timer is set for 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Okay.
And see if water boils. And I think we have just enough time for me to eat my egg.
I figured.
I'll put a little hot sauce on it.
Awesome.
So, Misty, what do you think so far of
Trucker Jim.
the induction cooktop?
I think it's pretty good. What do you think?
It's a good egg.
Good. I mean, the stick part but overall, good. I mean, and the burning your hand, that kind of sucked, you know. No?
Oh,
Did it burn your hand?
Wait a minute. We've got an error code.
Is it because it's a different pan?
I think probably so.
That's a problem. You have to use the same. How are you going to boil water? I mean, you can boil water in a little frying pan, but it seems
It's not ideal, right?
Right?
I'm sure there's probably other pans you can get as accessories. It's got that. Show them that bottom of that. It's rather unique. And this one, it's not hot at all.
So we're going to have to put water in this one.
It's like a copper bottle.
I guess we got to use this. I think this is probably the whole thing, you know?
Yeah. So now we're going to add water to that. Okay. Okay, Misty, if you put that on high.
And that's
425 degrees.
Right.
Do you know what the temperature of boiling water is? Or what temperature water boils at?
I have no idea. I should, right? 100?
If you're like in Europe.
I think it's 100 degrees Celsius and 212 Fahrenheit. Is that right?
232 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay.
But we're
I think it's 100 Celsius.
reaching. Hey Siri.
Yeah, let's ask Siri.
Hey, count down 90 seconds.
Your timer is set for 1 minute
You didn't
and
ask Siri.
30 seconds.
I don't have to
I should
ask Siri. I
Where's
already
my
know.
Alexa? Oh.
I unplugged your Alexa. You should make you an egg later.
No, you know the Fahrenheit. I'm just saying the Celsius, I think, is 100.
Right.
At boiling.
Freezes at 0, boils at 100 as far as.
But it's not 212 boiling?
I was thinking 232. Maybe it is 212.
That's what I wanted to ask Siri, but you kind of jumped the gun to the boiling one.
Hey Siri, what's the boiling temperature of water in Fahrenheit?
The boiling point of water is 99.9839 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
What temperature does water boil at Fahrenheit?
The answer is about 212 degrees Fahrenheit.
212.
212. I bet it'll boil at 232. Ah, we're starting to get some bubbles in there.
But how many seconds are we at now?
It's not 90. Cause
Well, I know, but I wonder how many it is. Okay, so how do we look on your phone to see? No, I know it'll beep, but
it's gonna make a noise. Well, if I go to,
let's see, like.
Ah, there it is.
It's not boiling.
It's
not boiling at all. Boiling is bubbling up. That's just starting to simmer a little bit.
But we can check the temperature. If my trusty assistant could hold it.
Now it's starting to boil. And how long did that take?
I'd say 2 minutes. That's pretty good. That's faster than a stovetop does. We have boiling water. Now, Misty, take the pan off and lay your hand on the top.
After you did it and burn yourself?
Maybe it won't do it now.
If I end up in the ER, you guys. It's hot. And it's burning my hand. You try it. No, let's go ahead and
It's not crazy hot. I mean, I don't want to keep it there.
When I did it, it was pretty.
As soon as you take the pan off, it gets to E1, and we'll continue to do that until you put the pan back on and hit start.
So it needs a pan for sure. Cook the egg pretty well. Hand, I wouldn't touch it. And boiled water, a little bit longer, but right. So the 3 tests, good.
Yeah.
I would give it a thumbs up for the most part. I mean, I just wouldn't put your hand on it, right? Would you?
No, not keep it there anyway.
No.
So, thanks everyone for tuning in. So far this product is getting a good grade, but we're not done with our full review, so you want to subscribe to the channel so you can see the other videos as we make them. And I'm going to be giving this a road test this week, taking it out on the road in an 18-wheeler and cooking up something delicious and nutritious.
Okay.
Well, I got to get trucking, Misty. See you next time.
All right. Au revoir.
Say, hey, good looking, what you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? Say, hey, sweet baby, don't you think maybe we could find us a brand new recipe?
Now.
Okay. So we're gonna start, see if the egg works. Let's go ahead and
See if the egg works?
see if the egg works. Yeah, let's not do that.
Please come on camera with me, Misty.
Hello!
Hey, this is my great friend Misty, and she told me about an awesome idea that she had to start reviewing all the
As seen on TV.
There we go, as seen on TV products.